So this is an ancient tune. It's the Green Hills of Tyrol, or A Scottish Soldier. The event here is the changing of the Edinburgh Castle Guard, and they're currently being inspected whilst the 3-SCOTS, the Black Watch, pipes and drums play the Green Hills. So for some strange reason, the Content ID system on YouTube detects copyright on this ancient tune, which is over 100 years old, so how it can be copyrighted is beyond me. Thus the need to talk over the top of it. This is Thursday the 6th of February 2020, and the occasion is the 60th anniversary of the ascension of Her Majesty Queen Elizabeth to the throne, following the untimely death of her father King George VI. So there are 6 21-gun salutes at Edinburgh Castle every year. This is the first of the year. So there's one in April for the Queen's real birthday. There are 3 in June, one for the Queen's official birthday, one for the Duke of Edinburgh's birthday, and the other one for the coronation, when the Queen officially became the Queen. And the final one is in November, and that's for the Duke of Rothesay, who is Prince Charles. Every time there's a 21-gun salute at the castle, there's also a changing of the guard ceremony at 10 AM. Choose life.